Who would have thought that this fun, whimsical frog fountain could have been the cause of a pond disaster? Oh, but it was. Or rather, the fish were, because overnight they pulled apart the connection from the pump to the frog, meaning that the water was being pumped out of the pond and onto the patio. With nowhere to go, the water soaked through the patio and under the pond, lifting the pond liner and shifting rocks away from the walls of the pond. We woke the next morning to find almost no water left in the pond and the fish huddled together in the remaining puddles. We hurriedly filled the pond, hoping that the liner hadn't been damaged or split. Thankfully, it was fine, and the fish were happy. The very next day, Mrs. Duck arrived with her 10 ducklings. So what could have been a disaster had a happy ending.